Shoot, I got this playing now. I don't even know if it's about to like record. Okay, so I can't see nothing.
You feel the vibe, it's contagious. Look in your eyes, feel it's dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience. I know you going through some changes. You taking pictures, know your angles. Ooh, no, we ain't perfect, but we them close. Ooh, you give me something I can pay for. No angel, but you got a halo. When it's nights like.
What's good, YouTube? So, this is really bad quality right now because I'm doing this on my other phone that's broken, and I'm not trying to touch it. I don't even know how I'm gonna get on my computer all day. But today we are gonna do the monkey app today. Record this and everything, and if you're watching this video and you see yourself, so I'm about to click screen record right now, and I don't know where it's gonna be at, but I'll show y'all right there. So yeah, so I clicked that LGBTQ one. So I'm like this and mad at them because they're all, some dusty old guys. So hold up. You see people skipping you out here? Like, it's crazy. I'll start skipping them too. This might take a while. Oh, no, we're not about to do two boys. They not even nobody on yet. Okay, so this might take a while, so I don't know how I'm about to edit this. I might just skip to when I get somebody, cause hello.
What's up?
Nah, I got a question.
What?
Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
You're a 10.
Thank you. Okay. No, but that guy had like really pretty eyes or whatever. Like, ew, but he gave me a 10. Okay, so we're gonna do a couple of these. I might do a part 2. If y'all want a part 2, give this video a thumbs up and everything. So if I'm standing like hella close to the thing, it's because I have my phone right here. But he really had cute eyes. Hello.
What's up?
Nah, I got a question. Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
I was gonna ask you the same. I'll give you a 10.
Thank you. Okay. Alright. You know we should hopping on this monkey app. Oh my god, this video about to be like okay, I be acting like a fool on here. Let me stop. I'm about to get a couple of these. Okay, y'all need to stop skipping me. Oh, she got braces like me too. Oh. But it's like 10 seconds long. But the fact that like I don't even want to like stare at them for like hella long. But it's like I never did this before. Oh, look at friends is hating. So I'm not ignoring people. What you talking about? So I don't know how many people I'm about to do. 16. I know you was trying to talk. I be playing with them. But nah, some of these dusty. Hello? I can't even hear you. Okay. I don't know what he was doing. But y'all got me fucked up. This little thing. Oh, I was about to click on you. Jeez, god dang, y'all be so damn rude. Okay, if you're gonna put a black circle as your picture, best believe I'm not gonna answer you because you probably a whole creep. Hello.
Hey.
Hey, I got a question.
Yeah.
Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
You're 10.
Thank you. Oh, I don't even look like a guy. No, but she was mad pretty. I was gonna tell her that she was a 10 too, but just think it was 10 seconds. That's what we about to do. So we about to get a couple of these in. So, this is like all new to me, so I'm like hella scared. Like I usually don't even do these by myself. Like I would probably do something like this with my cousin. Cause if you ever been on Omegle before, you know. Oh, she had a fine, but I'm like, why am I skipping y'all? And if I didn't, like, if y'all really, like, on here and stuff, just know that I don't be skipping y'all. I just let it go. So. Oh, that Anthony guy freaking out a circle for his thing.